Good morning. So we continue with market structure. In the last class we talked about the perfect competition. So the market that is mostly closer to a perfect competition is monopolistic competition. It's mostly closer to a perfect competition. So what's a monopolistic competition? We call it a monopolistic competition because this market, firms in this market, they produce similar products but not identical. They produce similar products but not what? Identical. Example of a business or example of firms in such market structure are the restaurants. We have different kinds of restaurants, but they all sell food. They sell food, but different kind of food, different kind of delicacies. That's a monopolistic competition. Yeah, different things, different delicacies. That makes it a monopolistic competition. So what are the characteristics of a monopolistic competition? The first one, there's a large numbers of buyers and sellers. In such market, they have large numbers of buyers and sellers, which makes it significant with a perfect competition. Yes or no? In a perfect competition, we have large buyers and sellers. So the same as a monopolistic competition. Two, there are few barriers to exit as firms may have enough time to recoup their capital expenditure. In a perfect competition, there is no barriers to entry or exit. But in a monopolistic competition, we have few barriers to entry or to exit, which simply means that any firm in that market can as well recuperate or recoup its expenses in terms of capital expenditure, which we call the sunk cost. Sunk cost. Most of the reasons why firms do not want to leave the market is because of the sunk cost that cannot be recouped. But in a monopolistic competition, firms have the time to recoup their capital expenditure, and that makes it easy for them to leave the market. Do we get it, please, or not? The third one, consumers face a wide choice of differentiated products, as each firm can decide on the quality and the brand of their product. As consumers, we could choose to go to Chinese restaurants tomorrow, we could choose to go to the Turkish restaurants, we could choose to go to different restaurants. So which means we have different choices to make when it comes to consumption. Do we get the third point, please? Are you here? The third point is that consumers are faced with different choices based on the fact that products produced in such markets are differentiated but similar. Do you get it or not? Second to the last point, firms are price makers as they have a bit of influence on the market price. They can be a sort of monopoly in this market because whatever product you produce is different from that of your competitors. So you are a price maker, you determine the price. Because the product you are producing is not the same as the one next even to you. A Chinese restaurant can be here, a Turkish restaurant can be here, a Nigerian restaurant can be there. You are all rivals, but what you produce are different. So which allows you to decide or to determine the price you want to charge. So firms in a monopolistic competition are what? Price maker. Do we get it, please? And the last one, firms use advertising to increase customers' awareness about their products because there's product differentiation. So what you can only do is, because in the eyes of customers, they see the products are the same. So it is left for you to create awareness that your product is different from those of your competitors. And advertisement is the best form of creating such awareness. Is it clear? Any questions about monopolistic competition? So go to monopolistic competition in the short run, because we have the short run and in the long run. When we talk about the short run, we're talking about a stage where we have one factor that is fixed when it comes to our operation. That means we have one factor input that is fixed. Be here, please. So in the short run, the monopolistic competition will only